Can immigrants on Affidavit of Support get public aid? Have you ever wondered if immigrants who have an Affidavit of Support can access public aid? This is a question that many families face during their immigration journey. Let's break it down together. First, the Affidavit of Support is a legal agreement signed by a sponsor, usually a United States citizen or lawful permanent resident. The sponsor promises to financially support the immigrant, ensuring they do not rely on government assistance. This commitment requires the sponsor to maintain the immigrant at 125% of the federal poverty level. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Immigrants can indeed receive certain public benefits, but there are conditions. Programs like temporary assistance for needy families, supplemental security income, supplemental nutrition assistance program, non-emergency Medicaid, and children's health insurance program are available to those who qualify. However, if an immigrant receives these benefits, the sponsor may be responsible for repaying the government for some of the costs. It's important to note that while the sponsor has this obligation, state agencies rarely pursue repayment. Many states have not clearly defined which programs trigger this financial responsibility. This uncertainty can make immigrants hesitant to apply for benefits, especially if they worry about how it might affect their family dynamics or their sponsor's situation. The Affidavit of Support aims to prevent immigrants from becoming a public charge at the time of their visa or green card application. However, once an immigrant obtains lawful permanent resident status, receiving public benefits does not automatically threaten their immigration status. It may, however, have financial implications for the sponsor. For many immigrants and their families, understanding this balance is key. The Affidavit of Support is a promise from the sponsor but does not completely block immigrants from accessing public aid if they truly need it. It is wise for immigrants to seek guidance on eligibility for specific benefits and to consider how using these benefits might impact their sponsor or future immigration processes. In the context of Middle Eastern immigrants navigating the United States visa and green card process, knowing that the Affidavit of Support plays a role in family reunification is crucial. It does not mean that immigrants cannot seek support programs when necessary. Being well-informed helps immigrants and their sponsors manage expectations and plan for cultural and financial adjustments in their new American life.